Hi and welcome to today's video. It's a special video because it's my first video in English, because it's a German channel after all, but the video is for International Game of Whoop, so the audience will be mainly speaking English. I thought doing some flips and rows would be fairly easy, but I never thought it would take so much tries, so much error, so much crashes for me to just hit the gap. I chose the smallest ones until I noticed, oh no, I need bigger gaps. And well, you saw my video, and if not, I will link it somewhere up here. But well, let's see some of the outtakes and of course some of the funny freestyle stuff I did before and after the video takes for IGOW. Consider subscribing, consider commenting if you have any questions, leave them down below. And leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and tell me, do you want more videos in English or not? Let's go!